Hello, I'm Dr. Celeste Alexander, and I'm here to show teachers how to use any cell phone as a document camera. A document camera is a great tool for teaching online. Teachers can display worksheets, books, manipulatives, and their own writings during a class.
For example, I had this worksheet that I wanted students to complete. But first, I wanted to work some examples with the students to ensure they understood the content. Using my cell phone as a document camera made this task easy.
To complete this setup, I used two devices, a laptop and a cell phone. First, I used the laptop to host a Zoom meeting. Next, I used the cell phone to join the same Zoom meeting. I did not sign into my Zoom account on my cell phone. This ensures that both devices can join the same meeting. I typed the name Document Camera for the cell phone. Next, I selected Don't Connect to Audio. This eliminates feedback and noisy distractions during the meeting. I did not select Turn Off My Video because I want the video from the cell phone to show during the meeting. I attached my cell phone to a stand and placed the worksheet underneath the stand. The students were able to view my writing as I demonstrated how to work an example. To show the teacher and the worksheet side by side, I chose Gallery View. To highlight the worksheet, I switched to Speaker View and double-clicked the document camera.
This method works for any cell phone and does not require mirroring. So grab your cell phone and give it a try. For more online teaching tips, stay tuned for my next video and continue to teach, love, and inspire.